Okay, we are going to look at exponential equation. And an exponential equation is any equation that involves an unknown quantity with an exponent or an index. The general idea here is, let's say if you have a exponent x is equal to b exponent x. When you look at this expression, you have a exponent x equals, let's say, b exponent y. Now it should be x. Do you see that the exponents are the same? So if a exponent x equals b exponent x, the exponents are the same. That means that this implies that a is equal to b. We can equate the bases. So when the exponents are the same, we can equate the bases. And so if we also have a exponent x equals a exponent 2, you realize that the base here is a, exponent here is x, the base here is a, exponent is 2. The bases are the same, so we can equate the exponent. And so the exponent here is x, we can equate x to 2. That's the general idea. So when we talk about an exponential equation, is any equation that involves an unknown quantity, that at the end of the day we will find that quantity. That is all. So that is what we have in general. And let's look at this. Let's look at these questions. You have to solve for x in the following. The first one is 3 exponent x equals 9. So the unknown quantity here is x. So if you have to solve for this, it means find the value of x. The idea, the understanding is that 3 raised to the power a certain number must be equal to 9. So quickly you can tell that the answer is 2, because 3 squared equals 9. This is just simple, just like that. But if you want to solve it, what we do is 3 exponent x equals, we can also express 9 to have the base 3, and this is 3 exponent 2. So the bases are the same. So we can say that x is equal to 2. So that will be the answer. That will be the answer. And it is true, because 3 squared equals 9. So let's look at the second one. The second problem is 16 exponent x is equal to 8. Now we are supposed to solve for x. The bases are not the same, okay? The exponent here is x, and we are solving for x. So can we have a common base? Can we have a common base so that at the end of the day we can equate the exponents? That common base is 2, okay? 16 can be expressed as 2 exponent 4. Put it into bracket before your x. And 8 can also be expressed as 2 exponent 3, because 2 raised to the power 3 equals 8. Now, this can be simplified as 2 exponents. The exponent here, 4, multiplies the x. We have 4x. This will be equal to 2 exponent 3. Do you see that the bases are the same now? The bases are the same, so we can equate the exponent. The exponent here is 4x. So we have 4x here. This is equal to the exponent here is 3. So it means that if you have 4x is equal to 3 and you are solving for x, you divide the left hand side by 4, the right hand side by 4. This is gone. Your x will be equal to 3/4. So that is the answer. That will be the answer for the second question. So we are done with this. We are done with that. Now let's see how best we can solve the third. How best we can solve the third, the fourth, and the other questions. Now the third question, we're given 9 exponent 4x is equal to 81. So you can see that we are looking for a common base. We are solving for x. So can we express 81 to have the base 9? That's what you need to understand, okay? Can you express 81 to have the base 9? That is what you have to understand. So we have 9 exponent 4x. This is equal to 9 squared, because 9 squared will give you 81. I hope you understand that. So the bases are the same now. The bases are the same now, and so we can say that the exponent for x here is equal to 2. We are solving for x. We divide here by 4. Divide here by 4. This is gone, and x will be equal to 1 on 2. That is half, because 2 goes into 2, 1, and 2 goes into 4, 2. So x is equal to half. X equals half. And do you know that when x is half, 4x should be 4 times half, and 4 times half is 2. So we have 9 squared, and 9 squared is 81. Are you getting that? Yes. So you need to understand that. Can we also express 81 to have a base that is different from 9? Let's see if you can use another approach. You have 9 exponent 4x is equal to 81. So this can be expressed as 3 squared, because 3 squared is same as 9. Exponent 4x And 81 can be expressed as 3 exponent 4, okay? Then this is going to be 3 exponent 2 times 4x will give us 8x here. Then we have 3 exponent 4. Now the bases are the same, so we can equate the exponent. So 8x is equal to 4. Solving for x, we divide here by 8, you write by 8, and this is gone, and x will be equal to 4 into 4, 1. 4 into 8, 2. You see that you are still getting the same thing. It's the same half, the same answer. So you want to simplify. So this idea about exponential equation, just finding the unknown quantity. When the bases are the same, you can equate the exponent. When the exponent are the same, you can equate the base. So in general, that is the idea, okay? That is the idea. And so we are done with the third one. Let's see how best we can solve the fourth question. Then I will give you the last one to solve on your own, okay? To solve on your own. Now the fourth question, you have 16 exponent x is equal to 0.125. So you try to, do you have a common base? Let's simplify this first. This is 16 exponent x is equal to, this is the same as 125 divided by 1000. 125 divided by 1000, okay? So when we express, simplify this, this should be 125 into 125, 1 over 8. So do you see that we have 16, then we have 8. Can we have a common base? Can we express 16 to have base 8? The value is supposed to be 2, okay? Because 16 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 4. Don't forget your x is here. And we have 1 over 8 can be expressed as 2 raised to the power 3, okay? They have to be on the same level. So 2 raised to the power 4 times x is 4x. And this is the same as 2 exponent minus 3. Why? Because 1 over 2 raised to the power 3 is the same as 2 exponent minus 3, the inverse approach, okay? Now the bases are the same, so we can equate the exponent. And the exponent here is what? 4x. And the exponent here is minus 3. So we are solving for x. So we divide both sides by whatever is attached to the variable you are making the subject. So this is gone. Our x will be equal to minus 3 on 4. So this is the answer. We are done with this. Now I give this to you as your assignment. 3 exponent 2x minus 2 equals 9 squared. Solve for x. And so you also simplify. And you will get the answer. You arrive at the answer. God bless you. Follow for more.